Good morning, Dave Pratt. I'm on this. I've already retake this 3 times now. This is the Angela Stoneworks Sandstone Mocha. The color is beautiful. It's a nice soft blend of colors all the way through. We did the front patio. The homeowner put the rock in along with his plants, and then they tied the rock out to the new waterfall. So the waterfall, I brought a waterfall guy in, Gerard. Does just a fantastic job with that. I brought Javier in. He installed all the plants, and then the homeowner put in the low voltage lighting, and I ran all the cord for that when we installed the entire patio. We also did a step-up area for the back where there's a fire pit, and then there's another bistro area back here. And the nice part is they wanted something for the path so that they weren't walking on the grass from this section and from the other section. So they went to Resource Building Supply, Lake Forest, and they bought the 18 by 18s. That's not a normal stock product, but they just happened to have enough, and they had plenty to do the walkways. So just a quick look. And does your backyard sound like this? If not, we can bring peace to your house. We can install a simple waterfall, simple pavers for the patio, the back area, whatever may work for you best. But this is priceless. Anyway, Dave Pratt on this project, all done, complete, and finished. Fantastic from start to finish. So, love to see your ugly project. I'd love to make your project look this beautiful. And Paver Stones, lifetime guarantee from cracking or breaking. And then there's always a workmanship guarantee to make sure that everything is installed properly. So give me a call, 714-588-8634. And just one last quiet moment. I'm out.